Hello, wonderful members of the She community. I am Asta Patni and today I am representing my store. Its name is Yugo Crafty. So you can watch my collection and reviews of clients on Yugo Crafty on Facebook. It is a page and also a group, and you may join my group as well. Instagram handle is @fashionista underscore all about you. And coming to WhatsApp, you can connect with me on 79754 So what we basically deal in? We deal in lots of jewelry. So we deal with karigars, and hence we have the best pricing. So we have German silver, oxidized jewelry, silver lookalike jewelry, brass jewelry, semi-precious stone jewelry, pure silver jewelry, kundan jewelry, handmade clay jewelry, whatever comes to your mind in the field of jewelry. Everything is available at one store. So that makes your shopping a lot more easier with a lot of variety, right? Today in the display, I am going to show you some of the beaded neck pieces which you can wear on any sort of clothing, and silver lookalike pieces which are amazing. So these are one of a kind pieces and must have for your wardrobes. So let's go. Okay, so here is a small display of some collection, and today I'm going to talk about these, and I'm showing my collection to you. Let's start with this. So this is a beautiful vintage Afghani piece. You see the bead quality, it's amazing. So this is one of the vintage pieces that I have in my collection, and it's priced at $8.99 plus shipping. $8.99 plus shipping. Right. Next, these are beautiful crystal danglers, and they are made on silver lookalike base. It is pure brass base, and these crystals are amazing. What do you say, guys? These are priced at $4.50 plus shipping. They are of high quality. Next, okay, this is a silver lookalike piece. You see the quality? Yes. So this is basically crystal mala and silver lookalike beads. These come with earrings, and the earrings look like this. This set is priced at $8.99 plus shipping. It is pure brass base and of amazing quality. $8.99 plus shipping. Next, these are silver lookalike floral pieces. So you see the polishing, it's amazing. It is also a brass based piece, and price is $3.99 plus shipping only. $3.99 plus shipping. This is one of my favorites. It has Radha Krishna in the frame. It's again a brass based piece with the pearls and silver lookalike beads. Its base is silver lookalike. It has stone work, and the earrings look like this. This set is priced at $8.99 plus shipping. $8.99 plus shipping. Okay, next is a wonderful neck piece. So it's a very minimalistic design. It has a work of on stone basically. This is for $280 plus shipping. This is a silver lookalike kada. See, the design is all over. It's a bestseller, and this is a completely hand painted thing. So the lady is hand painted on brass base. It's a proper brass piece with silver lookalike polishing. The price for this is $8.99 plus shipping. Next is a very casual piece which you can wear on kurtis, you can wear on saris, basically anything. It is a colorful piece with a beautiful shade of blue and a tinge of orange in these, and this oxidized piece. So this is for 280 plus shipping. Okay. Next is a silver lookalike piece. It's called Maurya set. So the Maurya set is priced at $8.99, and you see the quality, you see the finishing of this piece. Isn't it amazing? It is a beautiful, beautiful part of our collection. It can be worn as choker, it can be worn as a longer neck piece also. The length is adjustable. $8.99 plus shipping. Okay. Next are our punchy earrings. These are oxidized. These are also brass based, but it is bright silver polishing. Price is $280 plus shipping. It has blue stones all over it. And the ghungroos. More Morni neck piece. So it has a work of gold tone, green stones and silver. So this is a dual tone neck piece with beautiful crystal mala. It is also a brass piece, and this is priced at $8.99 plus shipping. It is of high quality dual tone neck piece with stone on proper brass with crystal mala. Length is adjustable because we have provided a dori over it. Next is again a casual piece. So the button neck piece, you can wear it as 3-layer, 2-layer as you wish. This is for $280 plus shipping. $280 plus shipping. Colorful, so you can wear it on any colored cloth, right? Next is our Matsya neck piece. So it has work of beautiful carving on every motif that is used, and this is also a brass piece. It has silver lookalike polish. It is a vintage piece basically. $8.99 plus shipping. $8.99 plus shipping. It's called Matsya set. Okay, so we have two color options in these sets, as you see over here in the video. There is maroon and there is the tricolor. So these are for $480 plus shipping. It comes with neck piece, bracelet and earring. So this is a combo of 3 pieces: neck piece, earring and bracelet, right? A tricolor is available and we have maroon in it. The piece is made of again brass motifs and bright finishing with lovely beads. The earrings of this set is like this, and the bracelet is again same. Okay, now finally I would like to show you another piece. Sorry. Here you go. So it has maroon thread. It looks a little paler here, but then it is proper maroon color, and it has turquoise beads along with them, these beautiful oxidized motifs. These are for $280 plus shipping. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like the collections. I hope I'll have a few of you contact me soon. Please contact me on WhatsApp 79754 You can see my collections on You Go Crafty on Facebook as well. Like it's a Facebook page and also a group. You may join my group for regular updates. You may watch my reviews, you may watch my collections right over there. And next, you can also follow me on Instagram, fashionista_allabout you. fashionista underscore all about you. Thank you. See you soon, guys. Lots of love to all of you.